Welcome to Paybis. Decided to cash out? Paybis offers you an exciting and highly convenient way to sell your crypto, like Bitcoin, and get the funds directly to your credit or debit card. Yes, it is possible to sell your crypto to your card and access the fiat money quickly. Let's explore why this method is so advantageous and the challenges it addresses. Selling crypto directly to your credit or debit card offers several benefits. Selling your crypto to a card allows you to receive funds in multiple currencies, making it easy to access your money globally without the hassle of international bank transfers. Converting your crypto to a credit or debit card means you can use the funds for daily purchases, bill payments, and other expenses as soon as they are available in your account. Compared to other methods, selling crypto to a credit or debit card can offer competitive fees and enhanced security measures, ensuring your transactions are safe. When selling crypto to a credit or debit card, choosing the right platform is crucial. Here's why. A reliable platform employs robust security measures to protect your transactions and personal information from fraud and theft. The process of converting crypto to fiat should be straightforward and user-friendly, minimizing the risk of errors. Understanding the fee structure of the platform helps avoid hidden costs and ensures you get the best value for your transactions. Platforms that comply with international regulations provide an added layer of security and legitimacy, protecting your investments and ensuring smooth transactions. This is where Paybis comes in. Paybis offers a seamless and secure way to sell your Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies directly to your credit or debit card. Now, let's walk you through the simple steps to sell Bitcoin to your credit or debit card using Paybis. Begin by logging into your Paybis account. On the homepage, navigate to the section for selling cryptocurrency. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to sell and select either the Paybis wallet or an external wallet, depending on where your funds are located. On the right side, select Credit/Debit Card as your payment method. Choose the currency you wish to receive on your Visa or MasterCard. Paybis supports multiple currencies, including Euros, US dollars, British pounds, United Arab Emirates dirham, Australian dollars, and many more. Enter your Visa or MasterCard card details along with your billing address. Go to your crypto wallet and transfer the specified amount of cryptocurrency to the provided wallet address. Each transaction has a unique wallet address, so make sure to use the one displayed for your transaction. Consider network fees to ensure the correct amount is transferred. Using the QR code feature can simplify this step by automatically configuring the required settings. After your transfer is confirmed on the blockchain, your transaction will be automatically processed. Your funds will reach your card within 1 to 3 business days, Monday through Friday. This processing time ensures that your money is securely transferred and available for use. Using Pay to Card or OCT is a fast and secure way to receive payments directly onto your credit or debit card. This method is particularly convenient for those who need quick access to their funds and offers built-in security features to protect your information. While Paybis is committed to providing a secure platform, it's crucial for users to ensure their own security by following best practices. Always double-check that you are on the official Paybis website, verify the authenticity of communications, and never share your private keys or personal information with anyone. After selling Bitcoin, you may need to pay taxes on your capital gains. Regulations vary by country, so make sure to research and understand how Bitcoin is classified in your region. This will help you stay compliant with tax authorities. Be aware that in some locations, the option to sell to a card might not be available. This feature's availability depends on your country. In addition to credit or debit cards, Paybis offers several other payment methods for withdrawing Bitcoin, including bank transfers, e-wallets, and other APMs. This flexibility ensures you can choose the option that best suits your needs. Thank you for choosing Paybis. We offer a secure and fast service for converting your Bitcoin to fiat currency. Sign up today and experience the Paybis difference. Paybis, where ease meets security.